Tip 1. Tell one story. The key to this assignment is to remember that you are telling one story using 3 platforms: video, text, and graphics. Remember, you will be graded on how well you tell that story as a whole. Each piece must complement the other pieces and work together to tell one story more thoroughly than any one piece would alone. Tip 2. Look for moving visuals. A multimedia package for this course must contain video, so stories that lend themselves to text only won't work. For example, a story about college graduate job offers going up or down is newsy and important, but difficult to tell visually. People may be willing to be photographed in still pictures, or you may be able to put together generic B-roll footage, but that won't give you the powerful moving images you need for a compelling video. When you are coming up with story ideas, your first question should be, what are my moving visuals? You may also include still pictures. Tip 3. Plan ahead. When you are pitching your idea, you need to have a sense of what your moving visuals will be, what your text story will contain, and what type of information will make sense to be part of a graphic element. From the start, you need to be thinking about how each component of the package, video, text, and graphics, will be used to tell each aspect of the story. This means you need to do some reporting before you pitch your idea, so you know if it is really viable to work across all 3 platforms. Tip 4. Pick a big idea. Stories for this class should not be live events such as festivals or breaking news. You need an idea that is big enough to include compelling visuals along with a short text story and some numbers or other facts that will make sense in a graphic. Good choices are trend stories, profiles, and feature stories, but they all must have an element of news. Why are we doing it now? You will be meeting with the professor in person or virtually to discuss your idea at length. Tip 5. Complement, don't duplicate. Each piece of your package, video, text, and graphic, should tell different aspects of the same story. The text story shouldn't just repeat the numbers or figures in the graphic. Your audience should be able to look at one piece and get a sense of the story, but not be bored if he or she consumes all 3 aspects of the story. And that's what you need to know about multimedia storytelling.